Hi, this is Diego Butzke with Case Construction. I'm a product manager for excavators here. We are at Utility Expo and we're bringing to market, reintroducing our wheeled excavators. We have 5 new models that we're bringing to market. The WX140, the WX175ESR, the WX160E, the WX175ESR, and the WX210E. Today I'm going to talk to you about the WX175ESR, one of our flagship models. And let me start talking about all the versatility that these machines can add to our customers. This machine here is fitted with the tiltrotator. This tiltrotator is what we call a sandwich type. So you do have a quick coupler on the machine, and then you have the tiltrotator coupled to that quick coupler, and then you have another quick coupler at the bottom of the tiltrotator. So that means that you are going to engage all your attachments to the tiltrotator, but if you want to drop the tiltrotator assembly and just use a regular bucket with the quick coupler, that's totally possible. Tiltrotators alone are growing a lot in the US. They increase productivity by up to 35%. They are such a really fun tool to use in the workplace, to be quite honest. But more than that, they allow you to use several work tools. You can do so many different things with them. They go well with crawler machines, but obviously they're the right fit for wheeled excavators. One thing that a lot of people ask me about tiltrotators, they actually only need the two-way flow circuit on this machine, a high flow circuit, to actually run. So you don't need to add extra circuits, low flow circuits, or any of that. They are quite simple to install, and we're very proud with this partnership that we have now with Steelrist, offering these tiltrotators through Case Construction. Another thing that I wanted to point out is the type of the boom that we have on this machine. Usually you will see excavators fitted with a mono boom, but in this case we do offer as a standard a 2-piece boom. What that gives to our customers is the ability to actually get much closer to the machine to do any lifting, any material handling, and obviously they can reach much further out. So that alone increases the work footprint on the machine, and that is great. Monoboom is available as an option on most of these models, and obviously monoboom will provide that more crawler excavator feel and experience to the operators. So you can go either way. We obviously recommend the 2-piece boom on these wheeled excavators just because of the increased versatility and work range on the machine. So now let me talk to you about the lower frame on these excavators. So obviously the lower frame, that's where the beautiful things happen for wheeled excavators. You have the wheels, you can drive these machines up to 25 miles per hour. There is a lot going on down there. You have oscillation axles, you have all the steering happening, all the value-added componentry like transmissions, driving motors, and all of that. Everything resides and is nicely tucked in and protected on the lower frame of these machines. But let me tell you about what you can have as far as added stability features like front stabilizers. So front stabilizers, when they are retracted, they remain up within the machine's width, and that is great for traveling around because you're not bumping into anything. They're nicely protected. The machine protects them as well. But also when they're deployed, they sort of come out 2 or 3 feet away from the lower frame from the machine, and that gives you that extra stability to do all your lifting work, your hard digging, or just if you want to feel more confident operating the machine, you can always deploy them. A lot of times, most operators will not even deploy the stabilizers. They will have a lot of stability on the machine as it is. They can work in the front or on the side of the machine and will be just fine on wheels. On the rear end, we do have a blade, and that's a pushing blade, right? It's not a dozing blade, but that's perfect to just backfill those trenches that you have been opening and working on. So you can push material with that. That's a great added feature. Another thing that we can fit on the back instead of the blade are actually stabilizers. So you can go, stabilizers all around, or you can have a blade on the rear, stabilizers in the front, or you can have just the blade if you don't need the stabilizers ever. Or you can even choose to go with two blades, one on the rear and one on the front. So those are options that we provide to our customers. Still on the blade, one thing that we have that is really cool, we have a standard trailer mounting plate. So you can put a trailer hitch there, and you have an electrical connector and a trailer dumping line. So what that means is you can actually tilt the trailer, you can dump all the spoils from your trailer, and obviously it comes down by gravity. And the electrical connector can actually power everything from lights and brakes on that trailer as well. So that's an added feature. It's a standard on every single machine that comes with a blade, and we're very proud of that because we do believe that these machines rolling up and down the road, they will be able to carry all their work tools, or perhaps just all the spoils from that day's work and bring it back to a centralized location. So now let me tell you about the powertrain on these machines. These machines are powered by Cummins engines. We have 4.5 liter engines on the smaller model, and the larger model, the WX210, it's powered by a 6.7 liter engine. We chose Cummins because they fit really well within the space that we had on these machines. They are renowned for their quality, for power, torque, which is everything that we need on these machines to make all these hydraulic functions work. So we're very proud to partner with Cummins on these machines.